Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You ready for follow Jesus? I mean, you ready for pay the price we cost for follow him? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not do it yet, where you wait, Bunny? Just go ahead, click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here so.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 8 from verse 18 to verse 22. Now, when Jesus see one big crowd of people around him tell him follower them say, if you go over the other side of the lake. Then one law teacher come to him and say, Teacher, me will turn one of your follower them and go with you anywhere you go. Jesus said to him, say, fox have hole, and the bird them have nests, but the man where God pick no have nowhere to put on his head. One next one where follow him say, Lord, let me go bury my father first. But Jesus tell him say, follow me and make the dead galang go bury who dead for them. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.